Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to apply for Revolut card. Alright, let's begin. First of all, in order to apply for a Revolut card, all you have to do is just launch the Revolut application and make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're signed into the account, you will be redirected to the homepage. Here, if you'd like to apply for a card, you can just go to the card section at the top right corner, and you will be able to see all the cards available. Now, tap on the Get Card option, and you will be prompted to choose the type of card. Whether you want a virtual debit card or whether you want a physical debit card. So if you want a physical debit card, you can just select that option, and then you can see the standard one. It's actually absolutely free. There's also a metal black card and the premium space gray. Now, these are basically all of the different types of cards that are available. You can just select the type of card you want, tap on the Get button, and you can customize the card to your liking. Or you can just tap the Skip button at the top right-hand side and then set a digit PIN for your Revolut card. Once you select the digit PIN, you will then have to select the delivery address. Then after I've done that, I just need to confirm the delivery address and the Revolut will start processing the card. So that's basically how you can apply for Revolut card. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.